folks, got one more video tonight. It is this thing. What is it? I don't know. You tell me. It's got a square. Oh, oops. I was trying to find some square pickup with it, but it's got a square little thing here. Doesn't close all the way. And it's got a logo on here which I can't make out. I don't know if anybody can see that logo. I think it says AGF. Shit, I don't know. Something. And I think it says, I don't know, London or something. And there's a tiny little number here, which I'm guessing is patent number 026121. I think that little tiny line you see right there is a patent number, and I could probably see that clear in the other ones. I don't know if you could see it on there, but don't know what it's for. I don't know. At first I thought it was a set of hog ring pliers. It's got the little usual like rusty patina. It freely moves. There's no bolts. It's a recessed, I guess, rivet maybe. It's not, doesn't have a lot of dings in it. It's nice and smooth, so it hasn't been like being, got a little wear and tear, but I'm sure if I put it in the Evaporust it would be a lot cleaner. I don't know if I can do it right now. There's no other words right here. There's no grip marks or anything. It's just rough metal. It's kind of smooth here, so I don't know. Maybe it had a rubber handle on it before. I don't know if it's for grabbing maybe something out of an electrical box or something. It must be for grabbing something and pulling, because I don't know, unless you got bolts shaped like that, made for wrenching it. But it wouldn't. I don't know. I don't know anything about tools. I would assume it would be for grabbing something, grabbing and pulling some. So yeah, it was under $1 million, so a couple of bucks. Guy who sells me antiques stops by once in a while and sells me these things. So I don't know. Thought it was cool. Cool if it was brass. That'd be neat. So anyway, if anybody knows what this is, please let me know in the comments. If you know what it's for, think you know what it's for. I'll take any suggestions. Ball squeezers, nipple clamps, whatever you can muster. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I always got weird stuff coming along.